Kabalo ba ka na bisag tao ta pero numero gid gihapon ta?
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Imoha Podcast.
So ato nang istoryahan about numero og tao pero before ta magsugod atong paminawon kung kinsa tong mga sponsors. I know that sounds so bold, but that's actually so true. No, we are human and we are measured by numbers. I know it's not really so a human-centric approach, but when you say about numbers, man good, it's more on the data mo gina siya. No, when you say about numbers, of course, it's not really so pertaining about human. No, and I think there's nothing wrong about it. No, I know that's the way it is. Na gid siguro no na we are measured by numbers. So I will give you an example kung unsa akong pasabot ana. So let's start about social media, no? And you will be measured about your influence through how many followers good ang naani mo. Like for example, if you have 1 million, if you have 1,000, no, or you have only 3 subscribers or maybe 3 followers, and I think you will be measured through that numbers. Again, a human are always be converted into numbers again, and that's really a good example. And also, naka sa politics or maybe any social network, no, if you are one of the influencer po na nawala sa social media, ano sahay mailahan nimo na kung pila ka buok mga taong mga kaila nimo or daghan kag mga kaila, no? And then you will be measured na makaingon na sila na okay, daghan na gud nimo kaila, no? So then that's the time that you will be measured from one person to another, no? And then you will be measured like, oh yeah, mamay gini siya, it's because daghan siya mga kaila. Again, mobalik na po na siya through numbers na po, no? So mo na siya one of the example po in terms of social media, but I think makasabot gid mo na is because that's really so common naman gid in social media that the following and the subscribers, no, na mo na mga ilahang mga metrics na ilang measured kung unsa kay kakusgon ang imong influence. The next example actually is kung namo sa trabaho, no, if you're just a common worker like pres nato, no, inana magita na manabaho lang tanaw, but na ganito ang mga boss that they always need something because they always need some results from you. Sometimes is squeeze po gani siya kung unsa gyud makaya nimo just to produce those numbers, no. I know you will be measured through any metrics, maybe a goal settings or maybe a KPIs like a key performance indicators. And I think those are the metrics that they placed already na you need to meet these metrics, no. Maybe you are in sales, how many sales na imong makuha, or maybe if you're in the call centers, you have like AHT, or if you're in the accounting or maybe in the collections, also like some percentage, or maybe revenue, or maybe stocks value, or maybe lates. Pwede mo naman measure about lates. Those are the numbers, and also the absences. And I think those are like the common magud ka. I think kabalo na mo ang muna yung mga things na kailangan nila. And sooner or later, no, if you cannot keep those numbers, and for sure they will replace you, no. And muna siya yung sad part mo na but that's actually that's normal, but that's the sad part po sa tao, no, na that makaingon gid ka na all people are just numbers lang po, no. So another example is the eskwelahan, no. Kung naka sa eskwelahan, you will be measured through grades, maybe some reports, or maybe some quizzes or exams, no. And then again, you will be measured kung ikaw by top 1, kita by top 2. And I think klaro naman kana siya kung na mga eskwela gito, no. Like for example po, kung naka sa balay, if you are one of the person nga walay trabaho, then for sure you will be measured kung pila imong kwarta nasa imong bulsa, no. And then you'll always be measured kung pila mo gid imong kwarta ang madala nimo in every month. I know that sounds so negative, but that is actually normal, no. That's actually human nature, and we are hardwired with those numbers ever since masigid siguro, no. But this is not the negativity, but this is the positive reality. But I know that it's really so sad. So after all, humans are just numbers, no. So yeah, and I know siguro ang ubang tao kaya kasabot na ani, but I think dili po tanan. That's why I'm talking about this one, no. So actually, the thought that I really want to leave today is that how can we measure the things or people without using any numbers? Well, the first place, well, numbers ang maging maka-measure, no? Dili man letters. Like for example, what about love? Is that measurable? Or what about teamwork? Is that measurable? Or like friends or anything? No. So what's your thoughts about that one? No. So is that all measurable through numbers? And I think that's the end of my episode. And ay kalimti, basta magluto, maglimpyo, manghugas, manglaba, magkaon, maginusara, kanina podcast para sa imo, ha. And I love you all. Bye-bye. And see you in the next episode.